Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Squarespace SEO settings with Search Console step by step clearly. To authorize your Squarespace SEO settings with Search Console, begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website you wish to optimize. In the left-hand menu, click on Settings. Scroll down and select SEO. Locate the Google Search Console. Keep the tab open for later use. Now, open a new browser tab and go to Google Search Console. Log into your Google account associated with Search Console. Once logged in, click on the Add a Property button. Enter your website URL exactly as it appears in Squarespace. Select Continue to proceed. Choose the HTML tag verification method. You will see a snippet of code provided by Google. Copy the entire code snippet. Return to your Squarespace tab. In the Google Search Console section, paste the code snippet into the designated field. Make sure to save your changes. Now, go back to Google Search Console. Click on the Verify button to confirm your website ownership. If the verification is successful, you will see a confirmation message. You can now access detailed SEO insights through Google Search Console. Finally, revisit your Squarespace SEO settings for any additional configurations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.